And even as RelJio continues to disrupt the telecom market, and of course, expectedly with its big bang ultra cheap 4G phone tomorrow, you've got incumbent Bharti Airtel lashing out at Reliance Jio once again. And this time round, Bharti Airtel has accused Jio of being monopolistic, throttling competition with predatory pricing, and also blaming Mukesh Ambani's company for incurring a loss of over 500 crore rupees per quarter. Bharti, in fact, has in particular criticized RelJio's call to scrap the mobile termination charge that's, remember, currently levied at 14 paise a minute. What's also interesting is that Bharti's scathing comments have come after a meeting of all stakeholders with the telecom regulator. And of course, Nayantara, if we're talking about the timing, then also a day before that, much anticipated AGM. So walk us through, what is it that Bharti Airtel is sort of alleging here, especially when it comes to the mobile termination charges?
That's right. The telecom war is certainly raging on. Once again, it's Bharti Airtel versus the new player RelJio, the disruptor. Bharti, what's interesting is, and like you pointed out, the sheer timing of this scathing comments made by Bharti Airtel. Today, the telecom regulator had called for an open house to discuss this contentious mobile termination charge, which is levied at 14 paise. RelJio has been calling to scrap this charge. The incumbents, including Bharti Airtel, have been saying it should be doubled. It should be 38 paise at the moment. Bharti Airtel saying that India needs competition, not a monopoly, saying that if the regulator were to listen to RelJio and scrap the mobile termination charge, it would cost the industry 15 to 20,000 crore rupees. That's right, 15 to 20,000 crore rupees is what Bharti Airtel is saying is going to cost the industry if RelJio gets its way. Speaking specifically about its own financials, Bharti Airtel says it's lost 550 crore rupees a quarter, or 21 paise a minute, thanks to the tsunami of calls originating from the RelJio network. It then goes on to say that RelJio wants to expand its business, grow its business by getting a free ride on the highways that have been built by Bharti Airtel as well as other operators, saying that if it gets its way with the termination of this mobile termination charge, you're going to see RelJio flex its muscles, continue with predatory pricing and throttle all competition. So once again, scathing comments coming in from Bharti Airtel. The timing is indeed very interesting. Did it feel it was losing its argument at the regulator's open house and felt the need to make it public? Is something we'll have to watch out for, but clearly not mincing its words.